out here installing my new clear bulbs and checking that out. My corner lights, they're mix match. I wouldn't mind it so much being orange, but with the LED lights I'm getting, I want that, and especially once my chrome bumper comes in, all that, even with the stock grill, will look good. But by the end of the year, should have a phantom grill and lowered with a rope hand and stuff, but a little bit at a time. Part 2 will be coming up with both installed, and hopefully my headlights will be in. Thanks for watching.